Well, there we are, August 28th, 2023. Everybody's got one of these spouts. You know, these spouts that are terrible. You got to push that in, and you got to put like 80 pounds of pressure on there just to get the thing open. Well, there's a little O-ring on the bottom. You take that O-ring off of this, and you can just slide that right out of there. And there's a spring in here, which I've already taken the liberty to cut down. It needs to be cut down even more. So once you cut that spring down, it's not going to have as much pressure, and you'll be able to reassemble this thing. And now you can very easily open that valve up with just your finger or your thumb. You don't have to have the whole jug sitting on top, and it spills all over the place. It's still going to be bad, but it's better than it was. And you just put your O-ring back on the bottom here. And then with your O-ring on there, it works as good as it always did. Or better, actually, because you can get gas out of it now a little better. Cut.